Hey guys, this is a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 5.3 liter V8. It's got all-weather floor mats. No sunroof. VIN number Z71. It's got the Bose. Memory seat, power fold mirrors. This is a 4-wheel drive. It's got the tow package. Let me start up. It does have a keyless entry and a remote start. Navigation, like 22,000 miles. Cruise control, heated steering wheel. Heated air conditioned seats, traction control, parking sensors, downhill descent, navigation, backup camera, power sliding rear glass, OnStar. Manuals, all sorts of switches, USB, plug, wireless charging. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.